Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to open YouTube Audio Library on mobile, so let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your phone. This method works best with Chrome. In the address bar, type youtube.com and press enter. Make sure you're signed in to the YouTube channel you want to use the audio library for. Once YouTube loads, tap the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and check the box for Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site. This will reload YouTube in its desktop version. It might look small, but don't worry, you can pinch to zoom. Now that you're in desktop mode, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your Creator dashboard. Once inside YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand sidebar. You may need to zoom out or scroll to find it. Look for the audio library icon. It usually looks like a musical note or sound wave. Tap on it. And that's it. You now have full access to the YouTube audio library right on your phone. If this guide helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.